The total of new confirmed COVID-19 cases in Beijing, according to official Chinese sources, totaled 227 people from June the 11th to the 20th. Back on June 11th, Beijing announced the first new case reportedly tied to the Xinfadi wholesale market in the District of Fengtai. Zunyou, chief epidemiologist of China's CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, said on June 18th, quote, Beijing's epidemic is under control. The daily case numbers seem to show the same situation. However, we likely have to take the official numbers with a grain of salt, as the curve has typically taken a few months, not days, to flatten in American and European cities. Furthermore, the dispatches of medical experts also tell a different story from the numbers. On the morning of June 20th, 6 Class A hospitals in Hubei province sent over 70 medical professionals to support a Beijing hospital. These hospitals included the Central South Hospital, the People's Hospital of Wuhan University, Tongji Hospital, and Union Hospital of Huazhong University of Science and Technology. Yingyong, also known as a protege to Xi Jinping, is the current Chinese Communist Party's secretary of Hubei since February 2020. As Xi Jinping emphasized the importance and urgency of controlling the pandemic in Beijing a few days ago, Ying was eager to express his loyalty. This outbreak in June is the third wave for Beijing. Hong Kong Mingpao reported on April 17th that top CCP officials have moved offices to Jade Spring Hill in the western Beijing suburb. Jade Spring Hill is the villa area of the Central Military Commission and is not open to the public. The area has been called the back garden of Chinese politics, in contrast to Zhongnanhai. On April 18th, Chinese writer and dissident Lao Deng also revealed that the internal CCP announcement called the April resurgence as the second wave. And as a result, top officials moved to the Western Hills in Beijing. According to Miles Guo, also known as Guo Wengui, a Chinese businessman in exile, the first confirmed COVID-19 cases in Beijing were among the Beijing Commission for Discipline Inspection and Police. She hasn't been working in Zhongnanhai since February. Several hospitals also saw crowd infections back then, including Fuxing Hospital, which is 3,500 meters from Zhongnanhai. The drive from Zhongnanhai to the hospital is under 10 minutes. Zhongnanhai is also the starting point of the CCP's underground passages, often dubbed as the Underground Great Wall. These are the emergency escape routes. In May 2017, the CCP reported a nuclear counterattack drill and provided the public a rare sneak peek of such an underground Great Wall. There are 3 routes. The first is from Zhongnanhai to Jade Spring Hill, where the CMC and an Air Force base are located. The second is from Zhongnanhai through the People's Hall and then to the Beijing International Airport. And the third is from Zhongnanhai to Beijing's Daxing International Airport, opened in September of 2019. Li Yiping, a spokesman for the All People Act Together platform, disclosed in December 2019 that senior CCP officials had arranged for their children to stay outside of China. When the CCP falls, they will join their families overseas.